So, welcome to week 3. You are now halfway through your class. Congratulations for making it through halfway. So this week we're in week 3 and we're going to be doing the rough draft of your narrative essay. So what you do in the week 3 forum is post your rough draft of your narrative essay in the week 3 forum by Wednesday. Then you have to do your week 3 warm-up and then your week 3 narrative essay final draft. So those are your 3, and also your week 3 midterm exam. Now I've given out your midterm exam study guides in your email as well as in your announcements. So if you look through your announcements, you'll find the midterm study guide, and also if you look through to the very first email I sent you, the welcome letter, that also has your midterm study guide. If you did not receive your midterm study guide, then email me and I will give you your midterm study guide. So remember that this week is your midterm exam. And so I hope that you all did really well on your midterm exam. And so for this week's forum, just put in your rough draft by Wednesday of your narrative essay. And so then you have until Thursday to Sunday in order to post it to students. And so for this week's forum, you're going to peer review the other 2 students' posts. And you're going to look at the other students' grammar and essay structure, punctuation, and so you can use ChatGPT to peer review other student papers. And so you put into the prompt, give essay feedback on essay structure, punctuation, and grammar. Then you cut and paste the other person's essay into ChatGPT. You can get ChatGPT from www.openai.com. And then after you do that, then don't forget to go back to your week 3 forum in order to see what student feedback or teacher feedback you got for your essay. Then incorporate and correct your essay using that feedback before you hand it in to the week 3 writing assignment final draft. And then you'll be done with the narrative essay. And next week, week 4, you're going to start on essay 2. You're going to start doing your comparison contrast essay. And as I said last week, a comparison contrast essay is when you compare 2 things. So if you compare 2 things that are like 2 ideas that are very complicated about something that people don't understand. For instance, if you're comparing COVID versus the flu or COVID versus RSV, those are things that people don't quite understand and don't know much about. Then you would use an explanatory thesis statement where you do a straight comparison. And then you could use either the alternative method or the block method to write your comparison contrast essay. I put into the announcements a 3-minute comparison contrast essay video, so you can watch that in order to learn how to write a comparison contrast essay. An example would be, and if you have a simple topic like hot weather versus cold weather, books versus movies, childhood versus adulthood, friends versus family. If you have a simple topic like that, then just tell me which one you prefer. So you would say childhood. So for your thesis statement, you could say childhood is better than adulthood because as a child you play all day, you have no jobs, no adult responsibilities. And then those 3 reasons become your body paragraphs. So paragraph 2 would be being a child is better than being an adult because you play all day. Paragraph 3 would be being a child is really cool because you don't have to have any jobs. And then paragraph 4 would be being a child is really cool because you have no adult responsibilities. You don't have to pay bills. And then paragraph 5 would be a conclusion. So your 3 reasons become your 3 body paragraphs. That's known as the alternative method. Then another way to write the comparison contrast essay is that you would write 1 paragraph about, let's say I say that Los Angeles is a better place to live than New York because of the food the beaches, and the people. And so then what you're going to do is paragraph 2, you write just about Los Angeles, about the food, and then the people, whatever the other third one I put in. And then the next one you write about New York, the food, the people, and the beaches. That sort of thing. You put those 3 items, and then you have your conclusion. So if you use the block method, you write 1 paragraph about Los Angeles, 1 paragraph about New York, and for that kind of essay, you will get a 4-paragraph essay. So if you choose the block method, then write in your essay that you're using the block method, and then do it that way. So that's the 2 ways of doing your comparison contrast essay for your week 4 essay. So in your week 4 assignment for next week, you have the week 4 weekly writing prompt. You have the week 4 forum in which you write you're going to write for me an outline of your comparison contrast essay, and then you're going to have a week 4 assignment where you fill out a worksheet for your week 4 comparison contrast essay. And that's it for week 3 and week 4, and I will talk about weeks 5 and 6 in my next video. So if you did not get your midterm study guide, like I said before, email me so I can send it to you, and then study the study guide, the midterm study guide, before you take the midterm. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time, and don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Professor H Writing channel.